They are so desperate, just like Nigerian politicians. Do you really think that those northern Nigerian politicians from the north, they know that restructure is the best for the system to build a enable environment for every? But once you build that system, the chances of them looting money will be over. So that is the only thing that hinders them from restructure and doing things right. That's why nobody obey rule of. There's nothing like rule of law in Nigeria. Once you are president, you are governor, you are on and all. You are Hitler of your empire. Do as much as you want. Make sure you have make sure you link your connection to the agenda of Osman Danfodio from the north. They will use you, but because of what you are getting and the chance they created for you to do as you want, that means you can do and undo, and just give them the chance to do whatever they want to do. You will be richer than anything. Your destiny, your lineage will be, will be there. That's the agenda. So most of them that are even somebody like what is the name of this man? The one that also said 70 years old man, Charlie Boy. Charlie Boy lives in the US. His father was one of chief what they call it, chief justice of the Federation when he was alive. He has served Nigeria. They have tested power. They have tested riches. They have connection and everything. Ask yourself, why is the Charlie Boy knowing everything that he knows? All the years, Charlie Boy, before Biafran War, I think Charlie Boy is older than Master Kanu. Not Master Kanu, of course. Master Kanu is just, I think, 50 something or 60 years. Charlie Boy is 70 something years, which means Charlie Boy knows Nigeria before independence. He knows Nigeria before independence because he's 70 years old. Now, if Charlie Boy, with his age and everything, and he still think that Nigeria is going to work, that simply means he also getting something. Oh, 500,000, okay. 500,000 Iraqs. That's what China said that he recruited. Do you get it? So spending that money, where did he get money to recruit people, if not from government? That's why somebody that is a criminal will come and this criminal or this criminal. PM is somebody that don't know how to lie on somebody. He don't know how to do propaganda. The only thing he will do, he will use your own video to tell the world who you are. That's what he's doing, which is in-depth exposition. He will take his time, analyze what you have done, bring out some of the videos, some of your pictures, some of your comments in the past, and use it to nail you. That thing is, in fact, that's the best thing any decent human being can do. Not cooking up story. Oh, he's this, he's that. No, PM have not come out to lie. There's a program that PM did in the past about China Saworu, the first encounter he had with him. Somebody that don't even know, because maybe you are hearing his name and you know that this guy will pose threats on your livelihood. And why are they even making IPOB a source of livelihood? To me, I don't understand. Why do you really think that using IPOB as a means of your survival is the best idea? Guys, please like this video. I noticed that some of you are not hitting the like button. Or are you also struggling to see the like button again today? Because I thought it is over. But if it's not, no problem. We have opened a new platform. I will send the link. Subscribe. I will put it on my community. Maybe I will share it today so you can subscribe for us in that new platform. Why I open it, like I said, is a backup channel for this, because I don't want to be cut off on the way. I don't want to be cut off on the way. Triple M, I see you. Donetsklo, I see you. And Freeman, okay. So we must continue, and I have another thing to share with us. Just pay attention.
I've analyzed it as a tax practitioner and a chartered tax analyst. Nigeria is on the wrong track. And we are talking about media moderation.
Okay, now the video you're about to watch now is they are not Biafrans. They are not Biafrans. They may be Biafran, but they are in support of Nigerian. These are people that are working tooth and nail to make sure that Nigerian work in their lifetime. everybody have right to do whatever you want to do. Okay, I'm not against your support and gravel, so that he can, once they're sharing it, he can get to him. That is a way to support his own. But in another man's land, he's telling you how he will jump out to defend the country. The one in Russia that is trending now, that a refugee, he's there doing what? Defending. But in his hometown in Imo State, whole post of them is ransacking everywhere. Can he even be bold enough to condemn whole post of them? No. But he's somewhere in Russia, ready to give his life to Russia as a entity and defend it. I'm not against you defending anybody. What I'm trying to say is that if you have your sense intact, if your brain cells are working, and a mom is no napwa, and a mom is no napwa, we expect you to do better. Even if you don't want to do better, why don't you shut up your mouth and insulting those that are trying their best to get it right? Even if, like he said, he don't believe in PM, you must not believe on him. But the most important thing to do as a wise man is to keep quiet. Even Bible said that a fool is considered wise when his mouth is shut. As long as you open your mouth, the whole world will know how dumb you are.
With my engineering knowledge, with my accounting knowledge that they are divesting, you can't tell me that they are not divesting. They are running away because we are experiencing business climate hostilities. It is only in Nigeria that you see people you call leaders and they cannot tell you the difference between commercialization, privatization, liberalization, or even deregulation. This is the country we belong to. So it's not working.
Now, you see the word commercialization. Everybody in Nigerian government hate to hear that. Once they hear, because commerce of the country as of today is in hands of Biafrans. Whether you like it or not, go to the moon, take it to bank. I'm telling you the gospel truth. You have the politics, right? You have everything. You have military wings and all those things. When it comes to the economy of the country, it's in hand of it. But they are struggling to make sure they write it off, and that is why today naira to dollar is 1,500 and something per dollar. 1,500 something. Some say 1,530. Some say 1,550. It depends on your bargain. You understand? But the issue is 1,005 something. Do you understand? Or 1,500 if you want to be, specific about it. Just put it there. 1,005 something per dollar. These are people that were protesting against Jonathan. Oh, Jonathan is killing the economy. The economy is falling. Oh, this country, insecurity. The condition of the country today and that of the time of Jonathan, which of them is better? Which of them is better? Like I always say, I'm not against anybody's existence. I'm not against Fulani. I'm not against Yoruba. I'm not against Hausa. I'm not against even Middle Belt or anybody at all. What I want as a person is Biafran to be their own, Yoruba people be their own, Fulani and Hausa, whoever, you just be your own. Let's maintain our borders. Let's maintain our land. If you want to do business, you can do business together. We don't need to fight each other to prove a point. We don't need to struggle to be like Europeans. They maintain that, they share their own boundary. That's why everybody is proud of Europe. Scottish people know their boundary to Wales. Wales know their own. England know their own. They may decide to have a unified government system. That is the under agreement. But here you say I should not talk, but I have to follow you. Not even follow you to a good place, assuming that you are getting it right, and you forcefully you will drag me to that. I mean, it's okay. Even though you did not inform me when you are doing this, but I like what you are doing. Let me be here. But this one, you eat my food, you buy my father. You are now forcing yourself on my mother. When I want to talk, you say shut up. If I shut up, also you want to take my land. If I say okay, let me go. Okay, take this one, let me go. You say no. I mean, what do you want people to do? What exactly do you want people to do? What do you want people to do? Anyway, let me bring this to you. What you are seeing here is Odumeje, okay? In every nonsense, sometimes there's sense. All right. Even though you may think that Odumeje is don't like him, don't like what he's.
Is you only one so on your back wish. Only good with a click kawaii. Eh? Obrusendi was sitting and lay him and get it. On one glen. On one glen. No, Janet Glenn, Professor, Doctor. Look at all of you. Look at everybody claiming educated in Nigeria where there is no good road. Do you know what they call rented people? Educated people stay in a country where there is a lot of digital development. Everybody in this country is illiterate. Go to an intelligent country like Dubai. You will see modern things. Any educated people or educated country, go there. You will see development every day. Because educated person means you have something what others do not have. And you must bring it in a practical. Educated people in a white man country are the one that manufacture cars. Bringing modern cars. They want to kill fuel. Now they are bringing electric car. Everybody followed a professor and doctorate, and also all these followed certificates, and coming out and saying, we are so Rene Goli, we are doctor. As far as this country is not moving forward, all of us are illiterate. The day which identified educated people is when we started to bring things new. 24-hour slides, a good load, and also what? Security. Because educated people, we bring the mindset of what? How to make security in their country. Educated people must bring easiest way to bring 24-hour slides because their brain is working. Educated people must bring how to bring good loads. What they call educated, you know what others did not know, and you bring it in existence. And people will celebrate you and say, what a wonderful man.
That is it. I will continue. I will still play it more, but I want to share this with us because what he's saying here, some people may not understand what he's trying to say. If you say you are an educated person, it's a shame that you have all these things. You have all the people that is a professor of this, engineer of this. Only few Igbo people have proved that they are educated. Somebody like Professor Patlominaji, the man that built the power plant in Aba. Somebody like Innocent is not educated, but he have done what they have done is more powerful and more nice, more beautiful in terms of the economy, in terms of development, and his decision to build it in Igbo land is another thing that you need to be proud of. Somebody like not Ifeanyi, not those other positions. I don't want to mention those positions. Some the names that are coming to me now that I have in my brain and in my mind, they are those ones sold their hands in governorship and all that. They made their money. They were nobody before they joined politics. So all those names, people that have investment, that prove that this is what they study in the school and this is what they can offer. They are the people that I can give respect. They are the people that can give respect. So you need to understand it when people are talking about like what Moses said here. Now let's hear what Mazana said.
The president is alive, gunshot inside where he's living. He didn't come out with his wife and children to investigate.
Now, what Master Namukano